So the Haojue Lucky Plus, the 1110 version, is one of the most used bike in Nigeria. The design and every other thing is very sleek. So in this video, we are going to be talking about the specifications and price of the Haojue Lucky Plus in Nigeria in 2026. So let's get started. The Haojue Lucky Plus is powered by a single-cylinder 4-stroke air-cooled 110cc engine that delivers 5.0 kilowatt of power. It comes standard with both option of electric start and kickstart for ease of starting your bike, and the engine is mated to a 4-speed transmission system. The bike comes with a top speed of 80 kilometers per hour. And coming over to the exterior design of the Haojue Lucky Plus is very sleek. Come with these very clean plastics, and these plastics are very durable. So the fuel economy on this bike is top notch. Easy fuel economy is rated at 1.7 liter per 100 kilometer, depending on the condition, but imagine 1.7 liter per 100 kilometer. Wow, that's really bad. And it comes with a load capacity of 150 kg, meaning that it can carry you and carry some of your friends, even 2 persons at the rear. And this weight is approximately 100 kilograms. So the front and rear of this bike are equipped with 17 inches alloy wheels, and these alloy wheels are very sleek. They add to the overall beauty of this bike. Then let's get down to the pricing. The price of the Haojue Lucky Plus in Nigeria in 2026 starts at 1,650,000 naira and goes up to 1,750,000 naira, depending on where you are buying it and the location. So if you need this bike, please do well to reach out to Alpha Luxury on 090-4323-7566 for clean bikes at an affordable rate. If you are using this bike, please drop your review of the bike, and also before you go, please do well to like and subscribe because you got so much more videos coming your way. Thank you.